Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, we are going to take a look at a software which is beginner friendly, easy to use, and it's a drag and drop interface. And you can create 2D videos like this, you can create 3D videos like this, and you can also create doodle videos, scroll stoppers like this. And all this is like an all-in-one software, and there is no monthly payments, it's a lifetime deal unlike the competitors. So the software is called Create Studio, and it can work on both Windows and Mac. I hope you like the intro. As you can, it's like a really powerful video editor, not just a 2D 3D animation software, but you will get like a really powerful video editor with a lot of special effects, characters and animation. You can create even normal videos with this. It's like a timeline based editor, and you can see like it can be used for creating 3D characters. 3D characters can be automatically lip synced. You can sell these videos that you create. It's a drag and drop editor. You have unlimited video exports, so no restrictions on the number of videos that can be exported. There is a doodle video creator as well. It's easy to use, and you can also create scroll stopping video ads that will definitely improve your click through rate if you are running like a video ad or something. And all of this is available for just $67, and the quality, as you can see, it's been trusted by over 90,000 users, and they are like having really high rating on all the websites, and there are like a lot of reviews as well. You can even create emoji head videos just like this. Even that is included if you want to create videos like that. You can customize your characters just like this. When you click on a character, you can see you can change all the facial features, change the dress color, and you can add or remove different gadgets. You can completely customize your characters. As you can see, you can change their dress color, appearance and things like that. You can also even add tattoos. You can rotate your character. You can do lip syncing with just one click. You can record your own voice, or you can use a very good audio provider that can be exported to the software and can lip sync like that as well. Brand your character with your own logo for that highly polished professional look. Then you can just by one click you can give animation to these characters. You will have a list of actions that these characters can do, and by just clicking, selecting the what kind of animation that you want, it will do that animation for you. And there is like multiple special effects that comes bundled with the software as well. There is blur effect, blends, jitter, filters, color correction, clip speed, progress bar and a lot more. And as you can see, it covers a lot of existing services. So if you want to create ad for different services and offer it as a service, for like example in Fiverr or like Upwork, you can simply do that by taking their existing templates. And as you can see, it covers like restaurant, florist, retail, fitness, business templates. And all you have to do is just select the template, double click on it, change the text and just export the full video, and it's that easy. And they also have built-in AI tools that works on credits. So this is not included in this purchase. For that will be credits, and you can buy credits if you want to use the AI features. You can get started by 3 steps. You can pick from the huge library. Step 1, select a character, then customize the character, then hit and publish. That's as simple as that. And as you can see, if you are shy putting yourself in the camera, if you don't want to buy like expensive gear, if you don't want to learn complex softwares like Adobe Pro, like Blender, and if you don't want to spend money on freelancers, this can be a good tool for you. And when you look at the competitors, these are the competitors that's charging like a hefty fees yearly. But with Create Studio, you can see it can do lot of things bundled into one software, and the UI and the user experience and the video quality is really good. And what you are getting for $67 is just an absolute steal, I would say that, because I've been doing some video editing with this and I'm loving it. And as you can see, these are all the bonuses that you get when you buy this software. So you get already pre-made templates with the 2D characters, Doodle Sketch, Bobblehead Builder, Classian Builder, Scroll Stoppers, and Video Ad Packs, all bundled into the software. And if you want to start from scratch, you can do that. You can select the character that you want, set the background, and animate all the scenes. Everything can be done from scratch as well. As you can see, the link will be in the description if you want to check this out. This is just 67 and you pay once and you can use it forever. You can even export videos in 4K quality. Yeah, you can check out all these things that's offered in this. Finally, you will also get like a 30-day money back guarantee, and I have a complete in-depth tutorial on how to use this software. Like it's like a 1 hour long video that's split into 2 parts. I'll have that in the end cards here if you would like to check that out, like how the user interface looks like, what all things we can do, what are the things we actually get with this specific pricing. And yeah, I go in deep. So if you like to check that out, please check that video if you want to be sure about what you are getting. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future videos. I'll be doing more videos on the software, so stay tuned and subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.